Adhyatma Yoga. Namaste. So today we will be doing some asanas for constipation. So let's start. So now we will start the asanas. For the first asana, please lie down with the hands by the sides. Ek pada padottan asana. Breathing in, raise the leg up. Breathing out, down. Then the other leg. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, down. Do 10 times on each leg. Ek pada padottan asana. Keep the knee straight throughout the practice. Now moving on to the next asana. Lying on the tummy, hands by the sides, legs straight. And now breathing in, raise the right leg up, breathing out, down, then the left leg up, breathing out, down. This asana also we will do the same number of times as the previous one, 10 of each leg. Now with time you can gradually increase the counts of both the asanas. You can raise it to from 10 to 15 to 20 as per the expert guidance. Now we'll do the standing asanas. First asana is Tadasana. Interlocking the fingers as shown. Breathing in, stretch the whole body from the fingers of the toes, from the toes to the fingers of the hands. Feel the stretch along the spine. Do this practice 10 times. Now moving on to the next practice, having a gap between the legs, Tridyak Tadasana. Breathing in and then breathing out to the side, breathing in center, breathing outside. This also we will do 10 on each side. Now we'll do the practice of Kati Chakrasana. Breathing in, raise the hands, breathe out to the side, breathing in center, breathe outside. Be aware of the position of the hands. One hand will be on top of the shoulder, other by the side near the stomach. 10 each side. Okay. Namaste. So these are the 5 asanas for constipation. What you can do is you can wake up in the morning and in an empty stomach you can drink 2 to 3 glasses of lukewarm water. In the water you can put some lemon and some salt to taste. If a person has high blood pressure, he or she can avoid the salt. And along with that, I would like to give you 5 health tips. The first tip is that try to have an active lifestyle, do yoga or any kind of exercise every day. So that will really help you to have a healthy gut. The second tip is try to avoid or try to reduce the stress. Often stress causes and leads to constipation. The third is take fibrous diet. Take salads in your daily food. The fourth is drink enough water every day. Often we kind of forget drinking water, so take enough water every day, at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. And the last tip is that try to wake up a bit early. The more early you wake up, it definitely will help you with the bowel movement. So stay healthy and see you in the next video. Till then, namaste.